Okay. Let's do it. I know. I did say that. Bruh. I did say that. So here's the deal. Is that we ended up canceling junior high electives for the whole week. So we actually have some time. I couldn't start it early, but we can do a big stream today where we count down, we do some fun game jamming. So, let's do it. Game Jam 2021.
Game Jam 2021.
All right, so let's get to it. All right, first, I gotta add some stuff here. Hold on. I gotta add some stuff to my OBS. Hold on. Okay, we want to do, hold on. We want to do a countdown. Yes. Open one of these and we'll do 10 minutes. And the text source is going to be not there. Darn it. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's add text. Stopwatch timer. Here we are. Stopwatch timer. We got it. Okay, boom. Let's put this up here, but we need to change it. So let's go to here, and we're going to do, it's going to be not count up, it's going to be count down, and we're going to start. Reset. No, not count up. Count down. There we go. Countdown duration. Seconds. So 60 times 10 is 600. Yes, we did it. Okay. Good. And now let's do add some text that says, this will be timer label. And we're just gonna say time until Google Classroom sharing. Oh, yes. Okay, cool. Too big? Make it smaller. Oh man, way too big. Okay, and let us do, okay, cool. All right, guys, let's start this and restart it. There we go. Okay, in 10 minutes, we will share on, I'm gonna go on the Google Classroom and I wanna see what you're working on, okay? Let me pull up my chat here. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're just doing it. Cap, can you look at my post? We are. Mr. Turner, in 10 minutes, we're going to check out all of the games posted on Game Jam, okay? Now, I know probably it's going to be a little slow at first, but that's okay. Let's get going. Okay, I got 10 minutes. We're going to get into this. It's Game Jam. We're doing it. We're jamming. Okay, so Stella, we are all coding something, and then in 10 minutes, you're going to share it on my Google Classroom, and we're going to just take a look, see what's there. Okay. So, profile. me see my stuff. Now, do I want to keep working on tower defense? Oh, is it in the trash? Whew, thank goodness. I just accidentally deleted that. That is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to get rid of all these untitled's. All right. Tower defense. Here we go. Here we go. Can I see this? Dude, we can see it. It's okay, man. We're making things together. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Okay, so here we are. I got my thing here. We got my donuts. Press space. Okay, so right now it's a thing where all the donuts get destroyed. But not the first donut. Oh, yeah. How strange. So why all the donuts? It shouldn't hit all the donuts. Create a clone of myself. Delete this one. Okay, so hey, how much time we got left? We got 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, let's see. Start putting something together. Start putting something together. Okay, so, sometimes it doesn't delete all of them. And, you know, it should be deleting the pickle, too. So, hold on. If touching pickle, oh, broadcast, okay. And then let's duplicate this and put that here. Okay. So, yeah, okay, but you see how it doesn't like... This tower defense might be... It might be too difficult. If touching on your... Okay, I want to look up that... delete... Oh, here it is. Delete clone scratch when two clones touch. Delete one specific clone. Let's read about this. Let's see what this says. Okay. Hey, I've made a little project where you control a player with your mouse. If you press space, you shoot. Now I want to spawn random zombies moving in the middle of the screen that follow the player's movements. To delete these clones when I hit with a shot, the shots are clones. I don't really know any solutions with the touching block. Okay. Tricky to comment without seeing your project, but I'm guessing your problem is one of the clones is deleting itself before the other register. Have you tried putting a tiny delay like this? Okay, broadcast shoot. When I receive shoot, create a clone of myself. Glide 20 seconds to da-da-da-da. If touching zombie, then change score by 1, delete this clone. Wait. Else, wait. Apologies, people. Okay, interesting. Okay, next time you're creating a clone, make a clone ID variable and make it change before the sprite clones. When I start a clone, if clone ID equals blank. Can you only see him on guest mode since blocks? This is Game Jam. We are coding some projects, and in 3 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm gonna take a look at Google Classroom and see what's on there. Okay, so let me see how we're doing here on. Okay, so if touching onion ring, move 10 steps. If touching onion ring, then broadcast hit. Oh, okay, and we can do. Yeah, go to. And then we're going to grab one of these 0-second waits, apparently. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that's cool. No, it didn't do it. It goes through some. Maybe this needs to be here. Like that. Okay, so that obviously doesn't work. If touching edge or if touching onion ring. I don't understand why it doesn't, it never, is it because here? When I receive, let's try this. Let's add this 0-second wait right after this delete hit. Let's see if that works. Oh my goodness, we did it. Okay, sometimes the pickle gets deleted. Sometimes, so they still don't really want to touch each other. Sometimes they, see, sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. Interesting. Okay, we got 1:30 seconds. Yeah, we're getting close to Google Classroom. Okay, man. It's strange that it works sometimes, but it doesn't. Oh, when I receive hit, delete this clone. Currently there's nothing detecting which one is hit. So what if we put here if touching pickle delete this clone. What if that works? Let's see. It worked, guys. It only deleted the one onion ring that, yeah, it's not deleting all the onion rings anymore. Now sometimes it registers it, so it's not hitting all of them all the time. It's like, interesting. It's like if the pickle hits on the side, then it doesn't register. See? If the pickle hits on the side. Okay. Let's do it. Let's go to Google Classroom. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm gonna just leave this here. Let me save my work here. Save now. All right, let's go. Now, did you see how I had to go and learn a little bit, right? All right, elementary STEM, Game Jam 2021. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got Kaylin. Yep. Yeah, that's us. Oh, I like your Untitled Goose Game sweater. That's rad. I want an Untitled Goose Game sweater. I gotta get me a pink Gotta get a pink Untitled Goose Game. All right, here we go. Mr. Turner, Cap, and the rest of you, you should try this game. Super good. Okay, we're gonna check out Coded Games first, okay? Let's see. Don't forget the live stream will be on my channel at 2:30. Oh, okay. We might be going a little late today, so that's cool. Okay, Kyler, let's check it out. What we got here? Oops, our scratch. Oh, okay. So, hey, remember when you're going to share, you grabbed the right URL here, but make sure up top you click this orange share button. See this orange share button right here? You got to click that. Okay? Now, see it says your project is now shared. See that? Now you can paste this. So, hey, Kyler, go click that orange button that says share. Okay? Go click that orange button that says share. Okay, so yes, more of that. Here's my cat toy. Oh, that'd be good for the talent show. All right, please look at this. I didn't change much. Okay, we'll take a look. Take a look. Oh, and Ryer posted something. Oh, again, guys, you gotta make sure you share the project before you copy the URL for me. Otherwise, I can't get it. See? Okay. See, Ryer did it right. Zombie Survival Remake. Okay. A to shoot. Oh, okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm this little guy down here. And these green guys are zombies and I shoot at them. Oh, this is pretty good, man. Look at this. This guy didn't want to get hit. Okay, and then who's this guy? Wow, sometimes the zombies just like come flying in, huh? Oh, whoa, oh, oh. What is survivor points? I got survivor points up there. And I notice all the zombies are coming to me. Oh, I can hold down A and it just shoots. That's cool. Yeah, this is pretty neat. What happens if I get hit by a zombie? Doesn't seem like much right now. This is a pretty cool game. Okay, and then you got this guy up here. He's just randomly shooting. Let's check out inside here. Survivor 2. Okay, so what I would suggest is let's get a difference between Survivor and Survivor 2 so that we know there's a difference here. Point towards ball 2. Yeah, I don't see ball 2. Where's ball 2? Oh, go to a random position. Oh, look at that. That's pretty neat. That's a neat way of doing it, man. And then ball, yeah. When I start as clone, touching edge, delete this clone. Yeah, okay. When A press, wait 2 seconds, repeat, create a clone of myself. Okay, when I start as a clone, so... Oh, look at that. So you're shooting yourself, huh? That's interesting. Okay. Wow, that's a cool game. Right, this is pretty neat, man. My dog is named Spike. He's a poodle. I miss you, Cap. I miss you guys too. This is pretty neat. Okay, everyone go check out Ryer's zombie survival game on the on my Google Classroom here. All right, Stella shares a project. Wedding. Play. Oh, I remember something about the bagel. I remember this. It's a good start. I remember you were gonna have a story, right? Here are the backdrops you got. Yeah. Yeah, I remember. Okay, so it looks like you've just started, which is great. Next costume, when the spray is clicked. Okay. So right now you just start clicking through the backgrounds. Okay, but it's a good start. I can't wait to see what you do, Stella. Let's keep working on it during Game Jam 2021. All right, let's see if we had some updates here. Oh, no, still hasn't shared it yet. And still has, so guys, you gotta make sure you click that share button. Okay. Cool. All right, let's get back to work. Let's get back to business. Let's get back to business. All right, so let me reset here. Nope. There we go. Okay, 10 more minutes of work. 10 more minutes of work. Where can I share if you're junior high? Oh, Buzz. Okay, hey Buzz, I'm going to let's see. I couldn't understand what you were saying there. I'm just going to invite you to my junior high, to my classroom. Okay, Buzz? Buzz. There you go. Now you can check out the games. Now you can share your work too, okay? Okay, let's get back to business here. So it seems like when the pickle hits the bottom, it like gets into the onion ring and it really like does a good job of canceling. But if the pickle hits the side, then it only registers the pickle. So let's check out the inside here. Maybe what we need to do is we need to add a weight right here. So let's add one of these 0-second weights right there. I bet that fixes it now. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah. Oh, no, not that time. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't change the onion ring. What if I did something crazy like 0.1? Let's change that. It's a whole 100 times slower. Okay, so sometimes that just does not want to. You can see how like it. Man, see that time? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that, guys? Okay, repeat until touching onion ring. Oh, okay. Maybe what we do, instead of doing repeat until touching onion ring, we do repeat until touching edge. And then here we say, if touching onion ring, broadcast hit, wait, and move back. Let's try that. Okay. So that's cool, except what happens is it keeps going until we hit an edge. So maybe what we can do is we can put a stop block in there. We're going to do stop, not all, stop this script. And we'll put it right there. Okay, now let's try. I think we solved the problem, guys. I think I fixed it. Now I'm trying to dodge. There we go. I think I did it. It hits every time it hits an onion ring. It deletes both the pickle and the onion ring. We did it. Stella can't talk in chat. Oh no, Stella. Buzz, you'll have to tell us what she says. I'm legit only here to say Hello. Oh, well. Hello, Amelia. Legit. Okay, so project could not be saved. Why does it do that every once in a while? Okay, so I'm excited that we have made an onion ring, and now let's start building this into a game. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to make a title screen, paint anew, and we're just going, this is going to just be real fast, okay? Let's fill in, do like a 15 outline, and we're going to just draw a box, and this is going to be called fast food tower defense. Fast food, make it big. Fast food. Now, if you can see that I'm not worrying so much about what it looks like, I'm just getting it done, right? Just so that we have something by Captain. Just so that we got something. And then we're going to do click to start. Click to start. There we go. Okay, so we got ourselves a we got ourselves a title screen. It's not a great title screen, but it is a title screen. Okay, so we're gonna just put that there. Now let's throw some blocks on it. How much time we got left? We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay, so when green flag clicked, it is going to show. Go to the front layer and show. And then when we when the sprite is clicked, then we're going to do hide and broadcast a message, which is an event. Broadcast a message, and the message is going to be called start game. So this is what we're going to use instead of green flag click. Start game is going to be like the thing that starts. Okay, so here, instead of having when green flag clicked, we're going to break this off, and we're going to grab when I receive start game. See, and now for when green flag clicked, we're just going to have hide. Okay, so if we and we'll do the same for pickle here. When I receive start game, go here and show, and for green flag is just going to be hide. Okay, so here we go. Let's click the green flag. Okay, so here we got our game, fast food tower defense, click to start, click, and see, and then the game starts. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. Look, like the vid? Oh yeah, like the vid. Al says hi to you. Oh. Biza, you're there with Alice? Is Alice making a scratch also? Okay. This game jam is amazing. Okay, guys. In a minute 30 seconds, I'm going to take a look at Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm glad this works. So here we got ourselves a screen, a start screen. Boom, tower defense. Boom, tower defense. Okay, so she cannot chat. Oh no, Alice. Poor Alice. She cannot chat. Biza, you have to ask her, what do you want me to say? Okay, so we got our onion rings going. Now the next step is really to be like, okay, how do we make a game out of this? And do we want it to be tower defense or some? I think we want it to be tower defense. So let's make a map next. I got 30 seconds. Let's quickly make a map. 30 seconds. So backdrop 1, and let's make a backdrop 2. Oh, we're gonna call this. Level 1, and it's going to be green. 0. Oh, it's time. It's time. Okay. So, it's time. Let's go to our Google Classroom. Let's check it out. Right, remember that brain pop. Nintendo swap. How do I make a yes or no answer? Okay, we got a question. Our first question. Oh, we got some jazzy music. Fortune teller. Oh, fortune teller. What a great idea for an app. Okay, hello. Okay, it plays the music first. Okay, it plays the dance chill out, and it says, hello. Ask, answer, and wait. Okay, so you don't want to put this here. What you want to do is, yes, would you like me to tell your fortune? Okay, you got that. You type your thing in here. Then what you want to do here is you want to do an equals. Okay. So here, what you do is you grab one of these equals blocks. Okay, see the green equals blocks? You put the answer in one of them, and then you type in your answer over here. So if the answer equals yes, then do something. So you say, okay, I'm ready, or whatever it is you want to put. So now, okay, I'm gonna just break out your sound for a second so we can test, okay? So, hello. Would you like me to tell your fortune? Okay, so then if you say yes, it does it. See? Okay, I'm ready. But if you say, would you like me to tell your fortune, anything else, then nothing happens. Okay? You got that? You need to have an answer. You need to have this block right here. Answer equals. And then what you can do is you can also use if else blocks to have like many different options. So you could be like, if yes, okay, I'm ready. Else, meaning anything else, right? then you can say like, I don't like you, right? And then you can put many answers inside here, like if answer equals yes, you can say is that how you do it? Or maybe what we do is, can you have, let's see, you can do if answer equals yes, like this. If answer equals yes, you can say you can say, okay, ask me your question. And then you can have another one that says, if answer equals no, then you can say, why did you come here? And then anything else is I don't like you. So now here we have 3 answers: yes, no, and anything. So yes says, okay, ask me your question. If you say no, why did you come here? If you say Buzz ate my homework, then it's just going to say I don't like you. Okay, so here you have 3, and you can do many of these. You can just keep stacking in ifs. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. I hope you caught that. Okay, what else we got here? Cap, for your tower defense game, could you say hit blank amount of onion rings, move up to the next level? Yeah, we're going to do something like that. Okay, Buzz, that's a good question. I mean, we have to build these piece by piece though, right? Okay. Rainbow date. 8 or 9. Don't judge how simple it is. Well, we're all just getting started. Ooh. That's pretty rad. That is a funky thing. Let's see what he did. Yeah, change color effect. And then he mirrored them and made some funky costumes. Yeah. I like this one over here. I mean, this is obviously rad, right? The wavy rainbow. But this one is like really cool. It's like bright and shiny rainbow on the outside. I like it. That's pretty rad, Buzz. That is pretty rad. And Stella, have you done any more on yours? Oh, she's added another one. We've got another one. She's beginning to work. Yeah, good job. Okay, let's see what we got up top. Oh, did you share? Ah, dude, you gotta share. You gotta click the share button on the top. Okay. And if the problem is that you don't see the share button, if there's no, see, mine says shared right here, but this might be an orange button, right? If there's no share button right here, make sure that you sign into your account up here. All right. Make sure you sign into your account, because that would be the problem. Okay. And if you don't have an account, you got to make an account. Have a parent or older brother or dog help you fill out this. Okay. Okay. So let's get started here. We are making a background. Oh, we got to reset our timer. Let's reset our time. Okay. Boom. 10 more minutes of coding. The early one I didn't see. Okay. Well, I'll check it out after. Okay. So we got that. And now what we want to do is, let's delete that. Let's just convert this to bitmap so we can draw. So we're going to just fill in the background with green. And now we're going to grab this. And we're going to grab kind of like a dirt brown color, right? There we go. Okay. And oh, this is, yeah, okay. So let's do like a gray. Let's just do gray because our onion rings are brown. So let's draw ourselves. Is there paint? Here we go. Let's make it bigger. Okay. So let's do like something like this. I'm making a path. Okay, so that'll just be our first path. Let's round out these edges here. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect, just has to work, right? Looks like this needs to be a little thicker though. And this probably too. Okay. Now, instead of okay, let's put, oh, I know. Let's put a oh no, we'll do that later. Okay, so let's do, when I start as a clone, we want to nest these all inside of a variable called level. So let's pick level, make a variable. We're going to call it level 1. This is our variable called level 1. And because we're going to want to make multiple levels, so we want to tell what level we're on. Kat, can you go on Google Class and play the game I posted? Yeah, I will, Mr. Turner, but I'm going to focus on games that people are making right now rather than just games we found. That's more for like fireside chat day. Find coordinates to each corner, then send clones to spot. Use broadcast to find out when they're, send them to the next round of coordinates. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. I mean, we're basically going to do that, but with glide, right? Find coordinates to each corner. Yep. That's what we're going to do. But we want to nest it inside a level test because we're going to have different levels. So we're setting that up now. So for example, when I started a clone, we're going to want to say if, grab an equals block, if level, oh, so not level 1. Let's rename this variable, not just level. This is level, just level. If level equals 1, then do this. So see, now we can control this with the level. And what we're going to do is just at the beginning, we're going to just have, we're going to just control it like this for now. We're going to just say set level to 1. And we'll change this obviously later. Okay, so see, now it's doing its thing. So instead of going here, we want to stop. Let's show our onion ring. So let's go here. And actually, let's go like, can we get it off screen? Let's see. Negative 250. No, we can't tell it to go. Here, let's so let's see, negative 168 and minus 250. Can you do that? Maybe. Stop. Show. Okay. Go here. So these coordinates are negative 165 and y 108. Oh, whoops. Undo. Okay. So that's our go-to. We want to glide to. We're going to glide here. So glide to negative 163 and 111. Then glide to right in there. Duplicate that. Break that off. Here, we actually can just grab new glides. 2, and then it's gonna be right here because we're gonna run into the thing. Glide to there. 2 seconds. Then delete this clone. Okay, here we go. Boom. Cool, right? Let's make it go a little higher. Let's do 55 pixels, 4 pixels higher. Yeah, and then 4. Yeah, and then that way it's still the same. We can even just like shave some of this grass off right here. Oh, too much shaving. This way, shave it like that. Mow. Mowing the lawn. Okay, cool. There we go. What do you think, guys? We got some onion rings going around on a track. When is Fireside Chat? Fireside Chat is on Thursday. Okay, so, and now we got our pickle, and when we shoot our pickle, boom, boom, ba-doom, ba-doom. Look at that. We are making a tower defense game. Oh, yes. Okay. We got a minute left. We're doing pretty well. Let's make a new sprite. We're going to just call this paint a new sprite. This is going to be, let's fill it with red, dark red, and a good black outline here. And we're going to just call, this is just going to be like danger zone. This will be the last thing. We got 25 seconds here. This is going to be like our goal. Whoop. Let's zoom in here, do a better job. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, and now it's a little too big. So grab the whole thing, shrink it down, shrink it down. Maybe what it should be is it should be a square because we're going to use it for different exits and stuff like that, right? So it should be like a square. There we go. Okay, and we'll like put this down here like this. So this will be like the bad target, right? Okay, it is time. Google Class. Let me just save now. So it's saved. All right, let's go to class. Let's refresh the page. Refresh the page. Okay, Ryer, please look at this again. Okay, let's see if he's done anything else. What new thing? Whoa, whoa. Oh, I kind of remember you made this. You made this one before. Yeah, I got Overrun. Wait, so stop. It says shoot all zombies or else you get overrun. You have a helper turret, but don't shoot them or they will be Thanos snapped. Fair. Press space to shoot a bunch and click your turret to make it bigger. Oh. So, okay. This is pretty good, but it's a little uncontrollable right now. I can't figure out how to like, can I move with the arrow keys? No? So everything just, so this is obviously shooting. It's a little uncontrollable right now. Okay, it's cool. I like it. I mean, it looks great and I get the idea. But right now it seems like I just die immediately. So I don't know if it's because zombies are spawning right on top of me or what. Yeah, it says I know that, but it just sprang. Okay, let's go down. Okay, let's see. Okay, Turbo Run on Scratch. Here's my game as a work in progress. Don't forget my live stream. Okay. Here we go. Use arrow keys. Okay. Yeah, it's worked good. It's good. I like your jumpy mechanics. I like how you can still control yourself while you are doing the jumpy. It's a good beginning here. I feel like I'm on a trampoline, you know? It's good. Let's see inside here. Oh my goodness, look at all of this. This must be the jump, huh? Look at all this like repetition he's done. So here, my friend, is, let me just give you a piece of advice, okay? So here you say press space, change Y by 5, wait 100,000th of a second, change by 5, wait, right? You do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times right there, right? Change, wait, change, wait, change, wait, change, wait, change, turn, wait. So I'm not sure if this is a break right there or if that's what you wanted, but let's just do the ones you repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's break that off. Let me move that. So let's put this right back in here. So here you have this thing that happens first. You have it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. All you have to do is go to here and then just grab a repeat block and say, do this 4 times. Like this. Look how much cleaner that is than having to do this. See? Now, we just, it'll do the same thing. Oh. Well, theoretically. Why did it not work that way? It should have. There we go. No? Change Y. I am confused as to why that would be any different. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you telling me that it's different? So that's smooth. But the other one isn't. Huh. Well, I'm stumped. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why that's any different. Like repeating something 4 times, it should be the same as doing it, right? 1 of those, 2 of those, 3 of, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So theoretically, this should be the same as the other one. Put that in there. Put that in there. I don't know. For some reason, it like doesn't do it right. I don't know. Maybe I'm messing it up. I got to go. You can do my next. Okay. Let's see. Here's the first and then the sequel. Okay. Wear a mask. Sneezes. Oh, a mask. Well, that's pretty sharp there, Mr. Buzz. Yeah, see, and but if this was like maybe like a school project or something, you know, once you learn good at programming Scratch, a whole bunch of strange things, we have COVID wear masks. Yeah, see, you can turn in schoolwork by doing Scratch projects. Really cool stuff. Okay, let's see. Mr. Turner and the rest of you. There's that game again. Alice, I think. Oh, okay, here we go. Hello. What's your name? Captain. Hi, my name is Kitty Plue. Do you like coding? Yes. I sure don't. What? Okay. I hate you. Do you hate me? No. Help, I'm dying. Well, that was a interesting adventure there. That was interesting. Okay, guys. That was bizarre. Let me get back to tower defense here. I'm going to reset our stopwatch. All right, 10 more minutes on the board. Okay, you just arrived, silly. Okay. So this is gonna be our goal. Let's rename our sprite 2 to just like not goal. What do we want to call it? Like base or what? Danger zone. End. Right? We'll call it end. Okay. And we need to rename sprite. We're gonna just rename sprite to title screen. I just had a major, like, oh my goodness, I've been teaching all day moment. Just got tired. So what did Cap say about Project U? You gotta be watching, see what I say. I could be saying anything. Okay, let's slow down these glides for just a second. And we're going to do that by making a variable. And the variable is going to be called make a variable. And this variable is going to be called onion speed. Okay, because we might have different kinds. So, and we're going to set onion speed. Let's do the start of the game. We're going to set our onion speed to, right now we're going to set it to 3 because we want to slow it down some. So now all we need to do is, instead of saying glide to 2 seconds, we can just change, we can put in onion speed here. Now whenever we change onion speed, we change our, we change the speed of the onions, okay? So right now it's set to 3. And so they're a little slower. Okay. Pick random. Okay. So we got our onions. They're going a little slower. We can even make them even slower. Let's say 5. Now you're going to see they're running into each other. Look how many. So what we need to do is we need to slow down our spawning. So let's do the same thing. We're going to make a new variable called onion spawn. Okay, and we can put onion spawn into here. The higher this number, let's add a, the higher this number, the slower they will spawn. So let's set our onion spawn to 50. There we go. Pretty neat. It's funny how sometimes sometimes they're all bunched right up, and then other times they're like, okay, 50. So if we want on average for one to come out, let's see. If we change this to like 100, we should have about average 10. Yeah, okay, much better. It's funny how they all just like quickly randomly go, you know. Okay. Cap, press Control U. Why do I want to do that? What is this? Oh, it looks at the source code. That's pretty neat. Okay, so we got our onion speed, we got our onion spawn rate, we can control. Now, what we want to do is we want to say if these onions touch the end. So let's make a new variable. Let's rename this my variable. We'll call this life, right? Life. And we can start hiding some of these guys right now. Life. And let's set life to, right now we'll set life to 10. Oh, let's set it to 10 for now. Okay, all these variables we're gonna have to find a home for later. So boom. Oh, we set level to 10. Set life to 10. There we go. Life to 10. And what we can do is we can say, when I receive start game, here's the spawner. We also want to say, if touching the end, which is our thing right here, if touching end, then what we want to do is we want to change our variable, change the life to -1, change life by -1, and then we want to delete this clone. Okay, here we go. So let's see what happens. We got our first onion ring rolling around. And when it touches, we should lose a life. It did not. Why? Why? If touching end. Why? It's in there. It's inside the forever. I don't know. Let's try building it over here. When I receive start game, go to where I am, which is right down here. Oh wait, we want to do if level, we got a minute and a half here. If level equals 1, go to here and show and hide and blank green flag, click hit. Okay, and we want then to do a forever loop. If touching onion ring, then change life by -1. Oh, but then we need to be able to delete the thing. Well, let's just see if that works. You got 30 seconds. We really got to get that under onion ring because we want to be able to delete the onion ring. We can't do it from here without sending a broadcast. And so, see, it's not even detecting it. Oh, I just did level life. So maybe it was doing it. Maybe I was messing up onion rings there. I got 2 seconds. All right, let's just check it out. I love garbanzo beans. There he goes. Look, life is going away. Okay, but we do need to fix that. We need it to be under onion ring. So let's check that out later. All right, let's check out our... We are done. Let's check out... Let's game jam together, guys. Game jam. Help. It says all the things. Hello. Hello. Would you like me to tell you your fortune? Yes. Okay. You will be rich and famous. Do you like turtles? I didn't say anything yet. I didn't say anything yet. I'm cursed for 100 years. Oh my goodness. So I think that you missed some stuff in here. Okay. Would you like me to tell your fortune? Yes. So we had that. Do you like turtles? Okay, so the problem here is that you did say, do you like turtles? What you need actually is to ask another question. So here is ask and wait. Do you like turtles? Question mark. Okay. So now it will pause and you can type in, yes, I like them too. No, goodbye. Okay. So now when we do this, it will say, what happens if I say no here? If I say no, don't tell me. It just skips it immediately. Okay. Do you like turtles? Yes. Yay, I like them too. Then it says you are cursed for 100 years. You gotta figure that out. I like it. It's scary. And I like the curse for 100 years, but you gotta figure it out. Okay, so did you see I had to change your second one to an ask right there? You gotta say ask and wait. Okay, good job. Maya says, hello guys. We are doing great at Game Jam 2021. Go. Again. Okay, Alice. We got Alice here. Okay, hello. What is your name? My name is Turner. My name is Kitty Plo. Do you like coding? No. I sure don't. It's too hard. Do you think? I do think. I hate you. Do you hate me? No. Help, I'm dying. Okay, so we definitely changed. Oh, and then it turned black and reset. It turned black and reset. That's the coolest part of what you've done there, Alice. I liked it. Wow, that's interesting. Switch backdrop to previous backdrop. Wait 1 second, next costume. Previous backdrop. Okay, I like it. That's pretty spiffy. Okay, please play. Now, this is a Google Classroom link. Let me switch to my Captain Richard account. Okay. No, so I'm really trying, Kyler. I'm really trying to play your game, but it says you can't find it. And that is because you have to share it. See, there's this share button on top. You have to have that to work. I'm really sorry. Water, earth, fire, air. Yes. Okay. Let us see. Do we have anything more here? Captain, another one. Ooh. A to shoot. What is WIP? I'm using the mouse. Yeah, so you put this spiffy background here, and then there's no one else to help you. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, I got hit, and then I got eaten. Yes, so this is becoming a good game. Good job. More work. Let's see how Turbo Run is going. We still got arrow keys and jump going on. Yep, still got arrow keys and jump going on. Looking good. Boy. Okay, good. Okay. And we just took a look, Alice, so let's go on. Okay, let's reset our clock. There we go. Another 10 minutes on the clock. All right, where were we? Oh yes, we were messing around with this. So these blocks are good, but man, we really need it to happen under an onion ring. So let's see. let's try this again. Forever. Inside the forever, right? Yes. If touching end, then we want to change life by -1, and we want to then delete the clone. Let's give it a try. This, I think we've set this up already, and I'm confused as to why it's not. What's going on here? It's probably what's going on is it's just doing this loop over and over again. Oh, it created a clone of myself. Wait. Okay, let me just try moving this in front. Let's see if that does anything. Like, does this happen before this now? I shot that onion ring. Let's see if that worked. No. Let's see. What if instead of putting it when I receive start game, what if I put a forever in when I start as a clone? What about that? See, now this is the kind of coding I don't like, where I'm trying to fight how Scratch works rather than like actually doing the coding, you know? Let's see if that works. No. Okay, one last thing. Let's just add it to like when start game, when green flag, because maybe that will like work. I'm sleepy. I've been teaching all day. Okay, so that didn't work either. If touching end, it doesn't work. I don't understand why. This clone is unable to detect this sprite. And I don't know why. I mean, this sprite is able to detect that, and then this sprite wait a minute. Okay. Oh, when I receive hit. Oh, maybe. Okay. So let's delete this. Let's try sending it over as a broadcast, because this obviously works, right? This when I receive hit pickle thing. That obviously works. So let's, I mean, what a terrible way to have to do it. What a terrible, apparently I can't run a forever loop on top of a clone. A clone can't be running inside of a forever loop. So, well, Mr. Turner is rattling off the Avatar beginning. What's the best show of all time? Avatar: The Last Airbender. If you haven't seen it, it's the best show. Okay, so when I receive hit, so, okay, maybe that's just a thing we're going to have to deal with. So let's rebuild this real quick. If touching onion ring, if touching onion ring, Then we're going to have to broadcast a message. Broadcast a message. The new message is going to say, we're going to call it damage. That's it, just damage. Now we can go back to onion ring and we can say when I receive damage, and we can use damage to be, we should be able to like change the variable down here to do different types of damage, like amounts. So we're going to do change life by -1 and also delete the clone. So theoretically, this is like exactly the same here. Oh, except we need an if touching, because we don't want to delete all of them. It'll delete all of them otherwise. So let's put this here and we'll say if touching end, and then this stuff goes inside there and this stuff goes here. Okay. Let's see if that works, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's the best show. Fire, earth, fire, ice, and air. It's not ice. It's actually water. Okay, here's a moment of truth. Yes, it did it. It did it. Sweet. Let's move the ends a little bit down more. Let's do like to -195. That should just be a sliver. 198. How about that? 3 pixels. 2 pixels. Okay. There it is. Okay, so we got ourselves a basic game here, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a tower defense game. It's more of like a turret defense game. But you can see that we got life going on. And we can press the space bar to shoot our pickle and defend the end. Let's make a game over screen real quick. Let's make a game over screen real quick. Let's just like duplicate this screen. We're gonna call it game over screen. And we're going to edit its costume and just be like game over. Wah, wah, wah. And we're gonna delete everything else. Delete that. Come on. Delete that, delete that, delete this. Game over. Wah, wah. Okay, and then we'll go to blocks. And we're going to do when green flag clicked, go to front layer, hide. No, we'll just do hide. And then we will say we need a when I receive message, new message, it's going to be called game over. When I receive game over, go to the front layer and show and stop all. All right, so here we go. Now we need a way to trigger that. How about we do a when I receive start game, and then we'll do a forever, and we will do if equals, if life equals 0, I don't even need to trigger game. Well, maybe we want to trigger game over in different ways, like, so we'll still leave this there. So broadcast game over. Okay, and we'll put this on top so that way we understand the flow. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh, you know what? We don't want it to just equal 0. we want it to be equal. We want it to be if life is less than 1. But that's greater than. I always like, because this is a less than sign. If life is less than 1. Okay, there we go. If life is less than 1, then do that. Because what if we have a thing that... No, see, I always get these stupid things backwards in my mind. If life is less than 1. Because what happens if we have something that, if you're at like 3 life and then you get hit by something that like does 100 damage, right? Then all of a sudden that is not 0. It's like negative 95. So, all right, here we go. Let's give it a shot. Oh, it's Google Classroom time. This will be the last one for today. But we're going to continue this week. Instead of doing a big giant one that goes forever, well, we're going to do it all week. Game Jam all week. Bye, Maya. Yes, this stream is going to be over very soon. We're going to do one more Google class and then we'll end. I just want to see this life thing because we have made ourselves a game. Now we just need to make this pickle be a tower that you can put around rather than just and game over. All right, we got a game. It's a boring game, but it's a game. Let's click save now. We're going to continue this all tomorrow. Let's go through Google Classroom one more time real quick. Has anything changed? Oh, not much has changed. Alice just gave us a new thing. Hello. What's your name? My name is Alice. My name is Kitty Blue. Do you like coding? Alice loves coding. I sure don't. I think it's too hard. Don't you think? Alice does think. Yes. I hate you. Do you hate me? Alice loves you. So we saw that already. Good job, guys. This was a lot of fun. Tomorrow we're going to continue the same thing, but we won't be, I guess we will be able to go on a little late tomorrow. Okay, let's continue Game Jam 2021 tomorrow. All right?
Game Jam 2021.
Let's continue it tomorrow. Okay, I think Micah is going to have a live stream after this, so you guys should go check it out. His link is on my Google Classroom. All right, have fun. I will check you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.